So, hi my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have. And the topic of this video, touchscreen not responding on iPhone, how to fix. I show you best of the best methods how to fix problem touch screen not responding on iPhone. Yeah, let's get started and do everything step by step. Please click like, then I will get hard. You get hard too. It's very good when ours are standing. Likes, thank you. Write in the comments whether yours got up or not. Your like, yeah, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. It's not a problem. So, how to fix problem touch screen not responding on iPhone? I show you how to soft reset with hardware case and clear the cache your iPhone. It's fixed problem touch screen not responding on iPhone. Maybe check if this method works for you. Now, press the volume up and then the volume down and then the off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Yeah. Repeat. Press the volume up and then the volume down and then the off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Click and hold. Hold and you look Apple logo and finish it. Yeah, check if this method works for you. Work, not work. So now I show you how to clear the cache your iPhone and maybe best method how to fix problem touch screen not responding on iPhone. So press and hold two button. Button turn off or turn on and press button volume down. Press and hold and your iPhone restart and you look, click and hold 2-3 seconds and you look Apple logo, yeah, good, very best, maybe Apple logo, and check if this method works for you guys. I showed you best of the best method. Check if this method works for you. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. It's not a problem, guys. Please comments, write the model number of your iPhone and version iOS, and I show you how to fix problem methods, new methods. It's very cool and easy methods. Check if this method. So, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. Please click like, then I will get heart. You'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing. Likes, thank you. Write in the comments whether yours got up or not. Like your like, yeah. Leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Bye.